As a real estate agent, our schedule is our most valuable asset and the key to our success. In this video, I've got some actionable tips to help you optimize your schedule and maximize your productivity. What's up, y'all? I'm Rachel. I'm a realtor and area leader with Epique Realty. If the key to success is not more time, but better time management, then you are in the right place. Here's my 5 tips for organizing your schedule to optimize your productivity. As a bonus, I'll tell you exactly how I manage my calendar as well. Tip number 1 is to identify the highest and best use of your time. Make a list of all the tasks that directly contribute to your bottom line, like booking appointments and meeting with clients. Delegate or eliminate tasks that don't align with the highest and best use of your time. Trust me, I know for new real estate agents or for someone that's just starting out, this may not be something that you can do in the very beginning, but aim to hire an assistant as soon as possible to start delegating tasks to. The first assistant that you'll want to hire is a transaction coordinator. Once a week, you'll review your daily tasks and categorize them based on that highest and best use of your time. On my Google Calendar, I like to outline those tasks in green so I know it's a special priority over a weekly recurring meeting, for example. Green means it's going to make me some money. Outsourcing administrative tasks as soon as possible is going to free up more time for those income-producing activities like hosting open houses, booking calls, and recording video content. Tip number 2 is to schedule more days off. You are going to give yourself vacation days, even if they end up being staycation days. Give yourself time to recharge your mental battery and avoid burnout. And when you do schedule this time for yourself, set clear boundaries. If you plan to take a week off, communicate to clients that you'll be unavailable during that time. Make sure to set your voicemail and your email that you're away for these days as well, and set expectations for people to know when to expect to hear back from you. I like to time block vacation time in my calendar well in advance and inform clients and colleagues to help manage expectations. I'll have a colleague lined up to take calls on behalf of my clients. Make sure to give this video a like if you got into real estate for more time. We all did. And it's up to us to take special care of our personal time. It's like when you're on an airplane and you have to put the oxygen mask on yourself first before you're available to help others. Give yourself permission to take time for personal wellness. That's going to allow you to give more to your clients, and not just clients, anyone else that's depending on you. Tip number 4 is to know your outcome. Before any meeting, project, or appointment, have a clear outcome in mind. What results do you want to achieve? How does this result contribute to your business or your income? For example, before a listing appointment, your outcome could be to secure the listing agreement. Knowing your outcome is going to help keep you focused and on track. To implement this, create a checklist of desired outcomes for different types of appointments and review it before each meeting to help you stay focused on your goals. Tip number 4 is to have a lead generation strategy that you can be consistent on. That may be YouTube, but it could also be open houses, farming, such as with postcards, as well as working online leads. This video isn't about lead generation strategies, but I personally think focusing on 1 or 2 strategies overall gives a lot better results than trying to do a little bit of everything. Too many things can lead to burnout, and you likely aren't optimizing the strategy anyway. For example, you could focus on open houses. Comment below your thoughts on open houses. Personally, I think it's a great lead generation strategy, especially for new real estate agents. It allows them to get a buyer that's ready, hopefully within 3 months. You could create a monthly open house schedule, like hosting 5 or more open houses in a month. Open houses are a proven lead generation strategy and a way to showcase the type of property that you want to sell. It allows you to increase your visibility and attract one of those ready right now buyers. Furthermore, it allows you to promote that upcoming event on social media. You can create targeted marketing campaigns and help drive up attendance. Tip number 5, make sure to follow up 5 or more times with every lead. Effective follow-up is key into converting clients. So you're going to want to develop a follow-up system that includes multiple touch points to stay top of mind with potential clients. To implement this, use a CRM system. It's going to help you track leads and set reminders for follow-up calls, emails, and personal messages. Within the CRM, you can personalize your follow-up to build rapport and nurture relationships. I use the Lofty CRM AI edition. It's part of our exclusive benefits package at Epique Realty. Lofty helps keep me organized, not only with my YouTube leads, but also with incoming website leads because it's all connected to my website and I can implement smart campaigns for a follow-up strategy. It does so much more than that, but the follow-up and having a place to work on your business is exactly why you need a CRM. Moving on over to my Google Calendar. So I have my Google Calendar broken down into 3 different calendars. I have a Google Calendar for recurring brokerage meetings and trainings. For example, every Monday, there's a Monday morning mindset call. These are meetings I like to attend, but they aren't mandatory. My next calendar is for my transactions. When are inspections and final walkthroughs scheduled? When are closing dates? Etc. And my third calendar, that's the main calendar. It's for all my personal and work meetings. I put appointments like haircuts and teeth cleanings, as well as meetings with clients or strategic business partners. I've also got the service through Google to help schedule meetings, and that becomes necessary when you're juggling appointments around multiple calendars. Plus, it's actually more cost effective than Calendly. I was just looking at both options and exploring the two, found Google to be a little bit better price-wise. So I have these 3 calendars set up. So then what do I do with those blank spaces? I don't want to fill in those blank spaces too far in advance because then people can't schedule a meeting with me. However, I do things during those blank spaces. I simply go back to what is the highest and best use of my time right now? Should I be recording a video or making follow-up phone calls or just working in my CRM sending emails? I like to look at my day the night before and think about what activities I can fill those blank spaces in with. By implementing these tips and strategies, you can take control of your schedule, increase your productivity, and ultimately achieve greater success as a real estate agent. Or maybe, like me, sometimes you just need to know, what should I be doing right now? Successful people make the most of every minute, while others make excuses for every missed opportunity. Whether you're a new real estate agent or a seasoned realtor, here's a video that you should check out on my favorite productivity tool.